I received this parcel from my viewer. It is opened for security check, opened for security inspection. Inverter AC board. The first thing, this packing is not good. When we are packing electronic components, electronic parts, multiple items together, these must be separated, because in this way these boards can damage the other components. These must be separated from each other, so we can place some bubbled packing material. Otherwise these can damage the other components, because this reactor is a heavy component. We can see this connector is bent to left side. We can see the condition of this capacitor. We have two damaged capacitors. So this board, it is for inverter AC LG 4 ton and 5 ton units. This IC slipped from here. It was not secured in the socket. Slipped from here and it was pressed by the board here. My viewer sent me this board to explain it. We will see step by step how this circuit is working, how we can troubleshoot it, because this board don't have any service manual, any circuit diagram on the internet. We will try to explore the circuit configuration and how it is working, how we can take approach to repair it. This parcel is already paid from the sender, but when we see here custom fees, custom duties 12 JDs, Jordanian dinars, and other charges 20 dinars, total 32 dinars. So that is around $45. We will see this board in upcoming video with details. Thanks for watching.